everyone, Jeff from Southeast Michigan BMW. Want to show you another very nice pre-owned motorcycle that we just got in our inventory. This is a 2023 BMW R1250RT. This is a premium package, loaded motorcycle. It has all the technology that would have been available, including adaptive cruise control, heated seats, grips, power windshield, traction control, etc. This bike does come equipped from factory with the Option 719 forged classic wheels. We installed Ilium crash bars, the factory OEM top case with the LED brake light. Now this bike comes in, it only has 328 miles. It was bought new here. It has never been dropped. It is absolutely perfect. There's no damage, no scratches. It is equipped with the factory low seat, so the seat height on this bike will be right at 30 inches.